Okay, so good morning guys. So today we're going to Roa with Tita Joy and we're having breakfast. It's Snickers. See you at Roa. Hello baby boy. Okay, so we arrived here now at Roa, France. It's already 8 pero yung sunrise is 8:51 pa and it's -2. So let's explore this historic city of France. Hi tita.
Hello.
And bumili na din kami ng day pass dito sa Roa. This is €5.90. So ayun, nakasakay na kami ng tram, ng bus, ng metro. I think they only have one metro here.
Prochaine station, Palais de Justice, Gisèle Avenue.
So Roa is in Normandy, in the northwestern France. It's 1.5 hours from Paris by train, and it is known for the medieval streets, Gothic churches, and of course the Joan of Arc history. So let's explore this. We're going to the Cathedral of Roa. It's also one of Roa's very nice tourist spots. So let's go. Okay, so magkakape muna kami dito sa malapit sa katedral. Good morning.
Morning, let's have coffee.
Coffee avec croissant. Good morning. Let's have a coffee. Cheers. Sarap. Sarap yung kape nila. Isang kape. Croissant. Okay, so we had coffee here at Le Délice de la Cathédrale, just near the cathedral. So, from Daga, kung saan kami bumaba, sumakay lang kami ng metro. And then, nag-get off kami sa Theatre des Arts. So, it's direction ni George Braque. So, malapit lang. Wow, so this is the Roa Cathedral, one of the most famous Gothic cathedrals here in France. And fact about this cathedral is Claude Monet, one of the famous French artists, painted this cathedral many times, like 30 times. So, let's see if we can able to go inside. Ang galing. This is so unreal. Ang ganda. Nakasarado siya pa. I don't know if magbubukas siya today. Pero this is dun sa garden niya sa side. Diba? Grabe ang ganda. I remember dati yung bahay namin sa Philippines. Ganyan yung pinaka structure niya, kaya ang tibay. Sarado pa din. So we're here at Joan of the Arc, historical. It's like a museum for her. But sadly, they're closed on Monday, and it's Monday today. Though it will open from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And there's €12 entrance for adult. And ayan. Wow, good morning na talaga. Good morning. Masanay wala ditong mga timbered houses. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Para akong nasa fairy tale. Ayan o. Yung kulay, yung design. It's just so good. Okay, so we are at the Old Town. And one famous in Roa is their half-timbered houses. Ayan no. See the foundation? It's made of half logs. Yun yung foundation nila. Kaya most of the houses here are 100 years old. Kasi matibay talaga sila. So good. Is that? Tita. Meron silang chimenea. Oh, wow. Grabe, ang ganda dito. So, parang fairy tale. Parang fairy tale. Okay, so we're going to the Groholog, or the big clock here in Roa. It's a very famous big clock. It's an astronomical clock here, and it was built in the 14th century. And it is one of Roa's iconic landmarks. So let's visit. Dito siya sa other part ng Old Town from the church, from the Notre Dame Cathedral of Roa. Sa kabilang side naman siya, which is more modern. Andito yung mga shops, may malls dito and everything. So ayan, let's check that. And we searched the internet. You can able to actually go inside that landmark. Kaya lang it's Monday. So para din silang bank dito sa Roa. Most of the tourist spots are closed on Monday, and they're opening on Tuesday. So, ayun. But check natin yung clock for sure. So, ayan. So, every time naman na malapit na yung landmark, may makikita kayo mga ganito. And yun, may mga story about the landmark, ganyan. So, mabasa mo siya from here. So, the go look is this one. That's the big clock here, the astronomical clock here in Croa.
Mais elle m'a pas donné de raison en fait. Tu vois, je lui ai dit. Maman.
Ganda dito, grabe. So that is the Palais de Justice ng Hua, or the Hall of Fame. Justice Hall ng Hua. May metro din dyan pababa. Ayan. So you can take the metro if you wanted to visit this. Malapit din siya sa Old Town. Malapit siya sa Grand Clock or sa Big Clock, and walking distance na din yung Cathedral Notre Dame de Croix. So, ayun. So, I think we've covered most of mga landmark dito sa Croix. So, actually, maliit lang talaga yung Croix. You can able to visit most of the landmark within the center. And since sarado nga yung ibang sites, so ayun. This is their public market. Sarado siya ng Monday. And dito ako nakakita ng araw. Kaya parang gusto kong magpa-araw muna. Kasi medyo maginaw. Explore na lang namin yung city pa later.
Dans la rue, on ne dit pas.
Shoot! Parang itong area na to, dun sa area nung pinagupuan namin, yung dire-diretso niyan, para siyang restaurant arena. Puro restaurant yung nadaanan namin na yun. So, ang pagkain ay hindi limitado dito sa Croa. Phone home. And marami din sila ditong mga weed cafe. Isa sa mga nag-weed dyan. Well, actually, weed are most here in Europe, it's legal. Okay, so nagbo-book si tita ng lunch. I think we're having Italian. So dito actually sa France, normally yung most of the restaurants have two openings, like 12 to 3 p.m. and then they're gonna close. Then they're gonna reopen again from 6 to 11. So mostly yun yung schedule ng restaurant. But meron din namang mga service continue or yung continuously serving food. So ayun, just sharing. Okay, so dito kami kakain. Mataas daw yung rating dito. So let's see. It's Italian Trattoria. Ito ang kanilang mga menu. Lang. Okay, lumipat kami ng pwesto kasi may usok dun sa isa. Ano pala to? Self-service. So, ikaw yung kukuha ng menu. Pero doon ka order, ganyan. Tapos, may tap water din. Ikaw yung kukuha. So, ayun. Let's see. So, ayun. So, maybe after namin kumain, maghahanap ako ng barbershop. Gusto kong magpagupit. Gusto kong shorten yung hair ko. So, ayun. Wala na kaming gagawin. So, baka nag-check pa rin kami ng mga pwede namin puntahan. Yes, yun. So, it's an Italian cola. And, ayan, naka-order na si tita. So, magbabuzz yan. Tapos kukunin namin doon. Tita. Okay, so nag-buzz na. So, dumating na yung order namin. So, umorder kami ng Nostra Regina pizza. And si tita nag-order ng pasta tartufo. And of course, my ever favorite pasta carbonara. So, bon appetit. Umorder si tita yata ng dessert na panna cotta for later. So, ayun. Bon appetit. So, sabi nila, guanciale daw yung carbonara. So, let's see. Let's try and check. Check. Sarap. Medyo na. Sarap.
Masarap din siya.
Masarap pa rin yung birthday ni Mama. Yung sa may malapit sa Lagaren. Sa may Lagaren? Dapat kila Ate Jonalyn. Yung Italian doon.
Awi. Hindi ba dun sa ano yung masarap?
Sarap.
Nasa mushroom.
Nasa mushroom lang. Tikman natin yung pizza. It's Nostra Regina. Sarap. Sarap. Lagyan ng chili oil. Sarap. Kain na kami. Umay na lang. Okay, so tapos na kaming kumain. So may dessert kami. Order si tita ng tiramisu pistachio. So, ayun. Sarap.
It's nice.
Among all the foods.
Ah?
Among all the foods, it's your favorite. Okay, so open na tong church. Let's try and check what the church is offering. Wow. So meron sila ditong bilin. The Christmas Nativity. See? No wonder pinainto ni Monet ng 30 times. Because it's really nice. Sobrang ganda. So it's very much the same with the Notre Dame de Amiens. It's just that this one is, sobrang, it really have that gothic touch. Yun naman sa Amiens, since that's one of the biggest cathedral in France, and yung sculptures naman sa Notre Dame de Amiens, yung napapawaw ka talaga. Dito yung design, yung pagka-gothic nung church it's nice. Well, actually, this is one of the most beautiful Gothic church in France. It's just wow. So these are the different saints here daw. Saint Matthias. It's Matthew. Saint Jude. Chapel of the Virgin Mary. Tita. Ito ang church piano. Piano ba yung tawag doon? Hindi ko alam. Pero dyan yung music nila. So, yun. Ano nasabi mo sa kanilang church?
It's nice.
It's nice. Actually, sa labas nito, merong Christmas village din. Pero inaalis na nila. Tapos na ang Christmas season. Parang Santa Claus na. So magta-tram tour kami. Hindi lang namin sure kung aangat to sa taas. So meron naman palang labas. This is the Seine River. Connected to sa sa Paris. So, tapos na kami sa aming tram tour. Balik na kami ng GAR. Kasi yung train namin is at 7:13. Okay. Okay, so that's it for my raw vlog. And public na kami. Dito na kami ngayon sa train ni Tita. So ayun, thank you guys for watching and keep on subscribing. Bye! See you on the next one! Tita, say bye!